Hey guys, it's Pakonam. Last time I took off from Germany to Thailand. During editing, I realized I didn't really mention why I'll be staying there for several months. Well guys, no worries, I tell you in my upcoming videos. My first destination in Thailand brought me to Phuket, the biggest island in the country. Located in the Andaman Sea, it has many beautiful beaches with fine white sand, nodding palm trees with a great view of the open water to offer on its coastlines. Besides, Phuket also has a fair amount of lively towns. Ich will, dass ich ein Video mache, ne? Unfortunately, my microphone was still in berserk mode, so get ready for a voiceover. Here I told a bit about the place where I stayed for several days, called Ban Yin Di Boutique Resort. I know, it sounds kinda fancy, close to Patong Beach. The resort is constructed in a traditional Thai architectural style, with lots of wooden elements, spacious rooms, and tapered roof gables. Patong is one of the well-known tourist spots on Phuket, and normally I would avoid such crowded places. However, a good friend of mine is staying there in that area, and I thought, nah, why not try Patong for once? The room where I stayed was tremendously huge, I guess around 25 square meters. The bedroom was super spacious with a gargantuan king-size bed, a mini fridge and a bar with free water, I thought. My personal highlight here are the wooden doors which can be slide open or closed. The bathroom is a bit smaller than the bedroom, but still big, emphasized by the huge mirrors here. There's a working shower. There's also a bathtub, but I didn't use that much, to be honest. I mean the bathtub, not the shower. However, it's nice to have this possibility. The room service comes here every day to clean everything up. By doing so, they sometimes fold the toilet paper into funny animal ears. Similar to the doors of the closet can also slide open. I am such a big fan of such mechanisms. From the balcony, I can not only see the Patong beach and its surroundings, but also the pool below me. The pool is tiered and gives the impression of cascades. There are two long pools, and between them, two smaller square-shaped pools where you can just sit there and chill. I try to swim there every morning if I can. Each of these square pools is decorated with a path of stone blocks to cross the other side of the pool. In total, I paid 6,400 baht for 6 nights. The extra costs for the water not included, so 1,066 baht per night. Funny thing here, you are not allowed to bring durians or mangosteens with you because it stinks and can be annoying for other guests here. When I was here in Phuket in 2019, it was a very buzzy island with lots of shops, people and a vibrant atmosphere. Due to COVID though, the pandemic hits the island pretty hard with lots of stores shut down and abandoned. There are still some glimpses from the old Phuket I knew before, but it has changed drastically. Nevertheless, due to the regulations being eased, tourism might flourish here soon and the locals might earn probably again. The Big Buddha was the first attraction I visited, together with Eden, whom I know from a mutual friend. In Thai, the statue is called Praputa Mingkom Mongkon Akanakakiri, or Mong Mokon Buddha, just Mong Mokon Buddha. Each time a Buddha statue is constructed, it should remind his attainment to nirvana. You wanna cuddle the Buddha? Do you wanna cuddle? Made with concrete, covered with Burmese white marble, it's seated atop Nakakiat Hill in the Karawan area. So you're standing on this viewpoint here and orientate on these number marks, and you can see the whole island or the whole south coast from here. Yeah.
What are those? Is this like snakes? Or?
These are Naga.
What is it?
Naga is actually an Indian spirit, so like from Hinduism, and it's like a serpentine spirit, and it's living in the river. There's also like a huge Naga festival in the northern part of Thailand.
And they eat it, right?
They don't eat it, but there's like fireballs coming right from the river. So, and it's like each November, around November, October, they celebrate this Naga festival there, and you see like these fireballs coming up.
And it's like protection? What is it?
This is actually like for like an enhancer for good stuff. For like fortune, for wealth,
health.
prosperity, health, anything like that. And often you see like Naga in connection with the Buddha. So as I said before, Thai Buddhism is actually like a mixture of Hinduism.
Is this 7
Buddhism.
important number?
No, but 9. 9 is like the lucky number in Thailand.
9.
Sure. Here. Hello, monkey. So the cat is chilling here, having its best life. Yeah, get some rest. So you can also buy here arms for monks. And I think it's like an okay-ish price, 100 baht for each case. We walked around the big Buddha and saw a monk who would give blessings. From this viewpoint, you can also play the gong. I always thought you need to smash this instrument, like in these stereotypical Western movies about China, but no. You have to hit the bulge in the middle, and the sound would accumulate to a transcendent, happy and also trippy resonance. Wow. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it at all, but it was a fun workout for my arms.
Long petting. Yeah. Now faster. The same, just faster. You can glue other sounds on it later. Good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'm also happy about any comments here. See you next time. Test. So, welcome back here. So this is a test record. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2